Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to increase the view size on your emails. This makes the text and interface easier to read. Whether we want larger fonts or a more comfortable layout, these adjustments can improve our overall experience. On the Outlook dashboard, the first thing we need to do is click on New. In Mail, we just click this New Mail view. Then, under View, we can click View Settings. To make everything larger, we click here to enlarge the text and spacing. We can adjust it as needed, then click Save. As we can see, it is now bigger. We can also increase the size by using larger fonts. Another way is to use the Control key on the keyboard. If we have a scroll wheel on our mouse, we simply hold Control and scroll at the same time. As we can see, this makes the interface bigger, depending on our preference. By holding Control and scrolling with the mouse, the interface adjusts to the size we need. And that is how we can increase the view size in Outlook in just a few simple steps. With better visibility, managing emails becomes much more comfortable.